While up to 3 Minimax converters are available to all customers at no monthly charge, they are still expensive for us to purchase. So please, take only what you need. The first 3 converters will always be free, so you can get more if you need them. But taking an extra converter just because you can only increases the overall cost. So please, take only what you will use. And also, please return Minimax converters if you don't need them anymore. Now, this normally will happen when you purchase a high-definition TV set or upgrade to a more advanced digital converter. Please bring them back so you don't run the risk of losing them and incurring a charge for failing to return it. The broadcast digital TV transition will affect only people who receive their TV signals over the air with an antenna. The broadcast TV stations like WKYC, WEWS, or WOIO are required by the federal government to stop broadcasting analog TV signals. Instead, they will broadcast digital signals. In order to receive these digital broadcast signals, viewers using a rooftop antenna and an analog TV set must purchase digital converters. To support this broadcast conversion, the federal government has set aside $1.5 billion to help people purchase these converters. And this help is being made available in the form of $40 coupons that can be used to purchase converters. However, the coupons will not cover the full cost of the over-the-air converters, so some out-of-pocket expense is required. Similarly, analog VCRs will no longer be able to record over-the-air broadcast TV signals unless they also are connected to a special converter. Now, it's very important to keep in mind that these special over-the-air converters will not work on a cable system. Our DTV rollout is different. Cable TV companies are not required by the government to become all digital, and most cable companies will continue to generate analog TV signals. We're doing this because we want to be a leader in the cable industry. The greatest similarity between the two transitions is the type of TV sets affected. All analog TV sets connected to the cable system will need a digital converter to receive any cable TV signals. Now, the federal government is not providing any assistance to us. Unlike the broadcast industry, we are funding our own digital conversion by providing up to 3 converters free of charge to all customers. As I explained earlier, analog TV channels use a great deal of spectrum that could be used for other, more modern signals. Our DTV rollout is designed to put us at the forefront of cable TV systems. We will be able to offer many, many more HD TV channels than other companies, and we'll be ready for you when you purchase an HD TV set. I will tell you more about the HD TV channels that will become available shortly. The most frequent question we receive is about VCR use with converters. Analog VCRs don't work well in an all-digital world. The vast majority of VCRs have an analog tuner, so they cannot record digital signals. However, that doesn't mean they can't work. Just like an analog TV set, they need to be attached to a converter. Here is the method we use when connecting a VCR to the cable system. As you can see, the digital cable signal comes first to the converter. Then it is sent to the VCR and finally the TV set. In this configuration, the digital converter acts as a tuner for the VCR. The converter receives a digital signal and changes it into an analog signal. The VCR can record this analog signal. The same analog signal can pass through the VCR to the TV set. In order to record a program, set the converter on the channel you want to record. Set the VCR to record the output channel of the converter and press record. The output channel is either channel 3 or 4, depending on your VCR. Now, the TV does not need to be turned on to do this, although it certainly helps to verify you have tuned to the correct channel on the converter. To play a tape is very simple. Insert the tape and press play. Make sure the VCR is in VCR mode. The TV can remain set to the output channel at all times. Now, of course, all this becomes more complex if you have a home theater system with a central switching device of some sort. Each individual homeowner needs to take some time to determine how their home entertainment equipment works and understand how they have connected it. Our technicians will always connect a VCR to the cable system in the manner I just described. For more instructions, please visit our website. Look under Customer Service for analog VCR instructions. The biggest change with analog VCRs in an all-digital system is the ability to watch one program while recording another. There is only one analog channel coming from the converter at any time. That means the VCR has only one signal to record. If you change channels on the converter while the VCR is recording, you will see that channel change on the tape. Now, it is possible to record programs while you are away. Simply tune the converter to the channel you want to record and set the VCR timer to record the output channel at the time of the program. Now, I know this is different from what you may have done in the past, but it will work. The digital equivalent to a VCR is a DVR, a digital video recorder. DVRs are rapidly replacing VCRs because they have so many great features. DVRs have a built-in program guide and lots of features to help you find and record your favorite program or an entire program series. DVRs can record 2 programs at the same time, and they can store dozens of programs and organize them conveniently for you. They also allow you to control live TV, pausing and rewinding the program as you please. The DVRs we offer will even display caller ID information before the phone rings when you use home phone service from Maslin Cable TV or Clear Picture. In addition to the DVRs we offer, you can purchase devices from a company called TiVo. They offer many of the same functions and can be equipped with a device called a cable card to receive a wide variety of cable services in both standard and high definition. I'm making this program in mid-December, so the timing might change a little, but here's a basic outline of what is happening right now. We have been sending information to all customers since August. We have sent booklets, letters, postcards, and email messages to customers. We've also made numerous phone calls to everyone because we want to make sure everyone is aware of these impending changes. And most people have already responded. However, I know some people have not yet obtained digital converters for their analog TV sets, and time is running out. Soon these TV sets will no longer have any signals to receive. All customers have now received the schedule we will follow to eliminate analog TV channels and launch new high-definition channels. Please know that we will follow this schedule. You must be ready or you will be unable to view the affected channels. In general, we will eliminate about 10 analog channels each week. We'll start by putting crawling messages on those channels about to be eliminated, and we'll do that on Thursdays. The message will appear very frequently, and I apologize if it becomes annoying, but please know that these messages will only appear on analog TV channels. They will not be seen on digital TV channels. So obtaining and installing digital converters will eliminate these messages. 5 days later, on Tuesday, the analog channel will be eliminated. It will be replaced by this program for the next couple of days so people know what's happened. Now, after 2 days, on Thursday, the analog channel will be turned off and the crawls will begin to appear on another set of channels. On the same day, Thursday, we will add new high-definition channels on the space made available. This information is all included in the schedule you recently received. If you currently own and use a high-definition television set, you'll be very happy with the large number of new HD channels about to be launched. New HD channels will be added to all levels of service: basic cable, digital basic, and premium movie channels. You also will find more high-definition content on demand. Keep in mind that Minimax converters cannot access any on-demand programs, and an HD converter is required to access high-definition on-demand programs. If you have an HD converter, you'll find new HD channels appearing on your program guide. As you already know, the HD versions of basic cable channels are in the 600 range of channels. And we'll make some